Morning here. Here is early morning. Going to work, and it's also raining. Yeah, it's a little bit raining, but it's all good. Let's go to a quick adventure. Me going to work. Anyway, guys, if you are new here, you are very welcome. And also, if you haven't already subscribed also to the channel, please go and subscribe to the channel as well. Yeah, let's see how the train are today, if they are on point or not, because normally they are not often on time, and it's a bit annoying, but let's see. So yeah, very soon the train should be coming. So this is my early morning routine. Going to work. So today I'm going to bring you guys along, and yeah, we are almost there. Let's wait a little bit. The other side we have the fastest train here. Yeah, we have the fastest train over there. And here, so we are here. This is our lane. Oh no, they changed it back, so we have to go here. Also, guys, leave your comment down in the comment section below. In your country, wherever you are watching from, how are the schedules for the public transportation? Are they always on point? I mean, always, I think not. I think nobody is on point always, but here it's very unfortunate that most of the time they are lacking on this, but their system is really well organized, but they always lack on this. So another train is passing by, yeah, that one as well. Today we have to change or take many kinds of train today. Quite a few. So yeah. To sit here, and we are in now. We'll be changing some few trains today, so yeah. The train has stopped just for some few moments, but very soon it will move again, and we are just sitting until we reach where we have to go, and then we have to get down and take another one, and then take a bus again before we will reach our destination. So yeah. It's pretty quiet, not so loud now, because there are a lot of people, but not so much because it's early morning as well. I think I still have like 2 more stops, and then I'll just get down, take another train, other 5 stops, and then I just have to pick the bus, and then I'll reach finally my destination. So then yeah, so you leave also your thumb down in the comment section below. If your country where you are watching from also
their on time or their public system is very good or not, let us know under the comment section below. But I'm not gonna lie, Germany, their system is good, but I don't know why, for some reason they are often late, and it's annoying sometimes for 2 months, 1 month, and I spend as well an hour plus, an hour and a half plus to reach work. So sometimes when we are late, it's very annoying. We're almost at the first destination, then I'll change from there and then pick the other train. 5 more stops, then I'll reach another place, take the bus. After walk, and then I'll reach the destination. So let's go. We have to hurry as well, otherwise maybe the train okay, seems like here we are on time. 2 minutes and it's here. 2 minutes it's here, so which is good. Sometimes when the trains are also like 1 minute late, as soon as you reach your destination, the other trains will be going away. And it's early morning. Here is very dark. I mean, here is full of light, so the environment are also clear. But when I go to the other side, it's much more dark because the light, they are not very, how can I say, there's not a lot of lights over there. So this is the train. I'm gonna go grab this one, and then 5 more stops. I have to get down, so on and so forth. So let's go. People inside the train. We are only just few people because it's early morning for here. And also, guys, do you also take public transport going to work, or do you have your own? Do you have your own car? For sure, if you are, how do you say, you are in the city, yes, you need, but no as well, because here in Berlin, I'm talking about specific in Berlin here, it's really organized. Their train systems and public system, everything is very good. But like I said, also, often also, they are not on point, and before even coming to this country here, I always know that Germans, they are very on point and so on, like this and that. But I discovered that not everything that they are really on point, and but when you are living in the city, you don't really need a car. But if you want, you can also own your own car. And as for now, we don't have car, and because the train can go to almost anywhere. You have also the underground subway. You have the bus as well. They have the tram as well. So yeah, their service are really ahead here. They are really ahead, and maybe sometimes other people's as well. They have cars because they have family, so it's much more convenient for them as well. So yeah, but let us know if you have your own, you own your own car, or you also use public transport like us. And also if you are living in Germany, let us know in the comment section below. We are almost there, so let's get down. It was also raining a little bit, so the floor is a bit wet. Now we will walk for a few minutes, we are supposed to take bath, but I don't think I'll wait for the bath because I will stay here like for 15 minutes before the bus will come, 15 or 20 minutes. But I decide that I will walk. Yeah, I will walk. The neighborhood here is a bit crowded. I mean, it's dark here. There is not much street light here, so yeah, hopefully you can see me as well. Let's go to work together. Normally these times a lot of people are sleeping, so that's why it's very quiet. But let's say in an hour time, 30 minutes time, things will be different from now. So yeah. Here it's even darker than where I was. Crossing the street. Roadside again, main roadside. We're gonna the roadside now. Now we are just crossing by. Yeah. It's not yet cold now. I mean, a few days ago it was cold, but now seems like the temperature is holding on back again. Very soon we are there. I have to wait. I mean, I have to walk like 15 minutes walk, and I'm there at the company. But for sure with bus it's like 5 minutes, sometimes less than 5 minutes as well. So yeah, from the station, the last station, to my work. Yeah, check here. It's green. Let's walk through. The Spirit River is under here, but it's very dark, very dark, so you can almost see nothing. Yeah, I'm on the bridge. Yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Thank you as always for watching our content, our vlogs.
for supporting us. We really do appreciate you guys. Thank you. Now you are even able to feel much more rain and also wind here because we are in the middle of the bridge, the bigger bridge, and under there is the Spring River. And, yeah, also the cars passing by. What else? Yeah, thank you guys for watching, as always, for watching, for supporting us. And yeah, if you are new here and you haven't yet already subscribed to our channel, please do us a big favor. Subscribe to the channel and click on all the notification icons so that you'll be notified as soon as we publish a new video. And yeah, what else? Thank you guys again.